Good day, everybody. Once again, welcome to class. In this AI class, we'll be discussing some topics such as generating content with AI, which is artificial intelligence, converting text to human voices, how to generate AI art, where to download non-copyright music, those are bonuses, automatically add caption to videos, add music to your videos, and video editing. And you are going to be glad that you were in this class actually, because what we're going to be doing is going to be beautiful. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Now, most times when people hear AI, they tend to feel like, this thing is difficult. It's going to be very, very difficult to do and all this kind of stuff. But the truth is, it's not. You get? So most times things that looks complicated are actually areas of study that people haven't ventured into. What looks difficult for you is simply what's strange to you. You get it? So I want us to keep in mind that this is not difficult. We just have to get to know about it. Just like if you don't know someone, you don't know the person. If you know someone and then someone else is talking about the person, and then you who know the person are like, is it this my guy you are talking about? You understand? So the aim of this class, for me, I believe that success in this class is to make it as easy as possible for you to gradually become incorporated into the AI world, especially generative AI. The aspect we are touching on is actually about generative AI. So now the site we are using for generating, the first topic we're taking is how to generate content. The site we are using is chat.openai.com. So you go to chat.openai.com. Now, if you get there, you register. If you have not, in fact, I think you should go there now. Chat.openai.com. Then register your just put in your email and everything and get registered. And then chat. This is also called ChatGPT. So you see, one of the things that is enumerated here is the capabilities of this particular artificial intelligence, because this site is a particular intelligence system which can generate content for you, helpful, beautiful, wonderful content and profitable content. And you can see the limitations they stated that may occur. They said that it may generate incorrect information. That's possibility, because the AI may not be very perfect. Then they say may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. The content may be a little biased. So AI is supposed to be artificial intelligence and kind of imitating humans. So perhaps the thing has a brain of its own, so it can decide to do what it's doing. Though that's not the idea actually. What I'm trying to say is that it has some limitations. And then they said it's limited in knowledge that came before or came after 2021. You understand? So maybe limited in the knowledge of events after 2021. I think this was created around 2021. So the archive of knowledge is far more powerful under 2021. So this is already active. If you can see the send the message, it's already active. So it's ready, it's waiting for you to ask a question. And you know the funny thing, artificial intelligence, they are quite it's more intelligent than just your Google, your Google search engine. You can ask it some kind of questions to create things for you and it will create it. Like for example, let's try create something. For those of you who are poets, who are musical artists, do you know that you can create lines using artificial intelligence? People are doing these things already. You can actually create different things using this artificial intelligence. Let's say you want to create a poetry. Let me ask something to be created for me now. What will it be? Create for me what tribe do we use? What language do we use? What people do we use? Okay, an African proverb. On wisdom, or should we use on love? You get? You can even tell it in less than so and so word. Let's say in less than in less than should we say 30 words. So 30 words, yeah, in less than 30 words. So let's see what it creates. You see? Oh, this is beautiful. I'm already seeing. He said, love is the sun that warms the heart, the river that quenches souls, and the rhyme that dances in unity, embracing all with radiant embrace. Do you see this? This is beautiful. And this was created by an artificial intelligence. You understand? Now, what we can do here is that we can expand. You want to go further. Instead of in less than 30 words, we do, let me copy. Copied. So we do in less than 60, should we? In less than 100 words. So we send. Sometimes it takes time. You have to be patient. Now you see, we have a full story that you write and people are like, whoa, oh my God, this is beautiful. You see, love is the precious gem found deep within the African soil. Wow. Well, unearthing joy in the heart and weaving harmony in communities. Like a baobab tree. I don't know that tree. It stands tall. Its branches sheltering compassion and its root nurturing understanding. Love is the rhyme of what? Djembe, drum. It's an African. Don't forget it's African. Uniting diverse beats into one harmonious melody. It is the wisdom of the elders passed down through generations, reminding us that love knows no boundary, no borders. It is the flame that ignites souls, the light that guides us through darkness. Love is the language of the heart, spoken fluently by all who embraces its power. Do you see this? Do you see what you could create? You see, what you just do is simply describe what you want to the artificial intelligence and watch what it displays. So this is very simple. This is where our assignment, one of the places our assignment is coming from. I want people to create something for me, and then just ensure you save the word with which you asked or requested for something to be created, and then you save the result as well. We would like to see it. And I think you should do less than 100 words. So that's part of it. And then ensure you save the both, not just screenshot. Get the text copied and pasted somewhere. Perhaps it will be required for later as we go on. So in this place you can do a lot. Like for example, you can even ask here. Are you aware that you can ask here? Let's copy this first. Okay, I've copied this. Now, do you know you can as well, for example, when using Google, some people don't know how to get what they are looking for. You know, they want to get a certain type of picture. They are just typing picture of this, picture of that. There are some certain words you use to get it. Most times, this artificial intelligence can help you. You can ask, how do I ask, or what words will I use? How do I ask Google to give me image result of where now the top most part of Mount. I'm just using this as an illustration. There are some search that you want to do and you don't really know the words to use, so you can ask for assistance. Everest. You see, so you ask such question, and then you wait. Especially when you're using a smartphone, you wait. So that's another thing. Be patient. Okay, you can use in less than so and so word, so it gives you a shorter answer. So to ask Google for image result of the topmost part of Everest, you can use the following search query: Mount Everest peak image. Do you see image of Mount Everest summit? Do you see words you can use? Simply type the query in Google search bar, and to provide you with the image result related to the topmost part of Mount Everest. Do you see how beautiful this AI is? So there are a lot you can generate. Don't look down on this. It's website. It's not just website. See, people are creating AI. Do you know AI is around us? Artificial intelligence system is around. It's all around us. It's working already. Africa is like lagging back. Like we have not caught up. You can't just think it's nothing. It's not nothing. You get, there's a lot going on. We are even talking about generative AI. There are other forms of AI out there. So this part we should be able to grasp it. So I would like us to go here, try it for the first time, create something. Okay. There are others we will explore. Let's see if we can explore. If we can explore today, I think maybe we'll push some of them because of this assignment. To give us this assignment, we'll push some of them to tomorrow. We'll touch on them tomorrow, and then after that, we move further. We'll move further. This class spans into next week as well. So that is it for